Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm back again after a lot of days, many days. I was busy in few trainings and few official talks, so I was not able to make any video. So today I am back with another video to help you out. I have seen a problem with a lot of people that there is a business case. Instead of I explain you, let's move towards directly to the problem. So let me share my screen and let you know what is the issue. I'll be sharing my entire screen. Just share it as. So I hope you can watch me now. So here you go. If you have a file like this, I'm displaying here. Here it is. This is one file, and I'm sharing this with you because let's suppose from one of your boss, you're working in any head office, and one of your bosses or one of your colleague asks you to send you different files to different stakeholders, but keeping individual files with you. So the purpose is to make different files from one workbook. Like what I'm talking about, let me show you. You will learn two things. What I want to do in this is I want to make files with job role. How many job roles are there? I want these files here. So what I'll do is this is one way of I'll say Control A. I'll go to insert pivot table arrange. I'll stick new worksheet. I'll click here. What I'll do is I'll take job role in filter. So now let's see, I want to make few reports from here. Let's see, I want age group, business tool, department, education, and this, and I want only count of employees. Let's see. I'll go here in the design tab. I'll change the design of the pivot table, tabular format. I'll repeat all labels. I'll stop do not show. I'll go into design and I'll say do not show buttons. So I have made a report, but in this report, I want job role here. So what I'm going to do is somebody has asked me to make different Excel sheets with different job roles. Like if healthcare representative is there, you see this is one data. Second role is human resource. This is one data. Third role is librarian technician. So somebody from my head office or my bosses has asked me, I let me sort it as well. Sort it as well. Okay. Somebody has asked me to share different files with them with the stakeholder. Let there is a one guy in HR, one in laboratory, one in manager, one in this. I'll be sharing the data to respective people with one Excel file only. So what I will do, first I will make different Excel files. So when you have to, you just copy and paste and you keep on pasting. But if you have to make 100 plus files, then what will you do? The issue is that you cannot do this manually easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make lot of files with job role here and down. I'll click here. I'll go to pivot table analysis, analyze, and there is an option. The options, there is a show report filter pages. It is telling me that there is a filter of job role in your table. So you want to make reports from this filter. So yes, I want. I'll click OK. You will see lot of all job roles files will be generated here. Let me show you. Okay. What it is of C. On one click, you have human resource file, you have laboratory file, you have manager file, you are manufacturing director, you are research director, research, sales, then say, well, all data sets have been generated for you. So this is the sheet that is actual PIV14 pivot table. So case is you have one workbook with all sheets in this workbook. So let's see, you have 100 plus files like this. And what is your assignment? Your assignment is move or copy, create a copy, new book, click OK. Now see, this is a new file. Now you file, save it, save as this PC to a folder, more options. I'll go desktop. I have made a folder file, save here. One file is saved. I'll close here. So let me show you that file is saved. This book one is saved. So see, uh, this is opening. This is one file saved. But my assignment is to save all files independently one by one and then see if you have more than 100,000 files, what will you do? And this is a real life business case. So people go suffer from this problem. So today I'm giving to a solution. You can use it with your systems and easily you can get out of this time wasting practice. And what you can do is you will just use it and you will be able to generate copies in a click like this. So what I have done is I have written a code for you from ChatGPT using, if you know Python, so you have to do nothing, just run this code of Python, you will get the file done. See, from ChatGPT, I have designed a code, and this code I have put in Jupyter Notebook. This is my code. This is all my code. Let me explain you a bit of what this code does. This code, I have asked this code, these are the operating libraries I've imported only. What it is doing, workbook path. This will go on my desktop and it will see this data file. Then it will generate files for each worksheet in a workbook that is available in the data file. You have seen this has lot of files, sheets with it. I want every sheet to be saved as a different workbook. So what this code will do for you, this will generate, I have given a path of this folder that is files, and I have made this folder at my desktop. You can use your own path file, your own desktop. So you can save output files into that folder using this code. So what I'll do is, I'll see this is a total code. You will run this code. You can run this code in Python environment, in any environment. Like you can run this in your notebook. You can run this in your Jupyter notebook. You can run this in NumPy, PyCharm, whatever environment you have. This is very simple. If you don't know how to run Python codes, you can YouTube it. Else you can watch my lecture as well. So let me, this is all a short step Python code using libraries. You don't have to understand what this is. You just have to understand what this code does. See, what I'll do is I'll select this. I click here. I'll run this code. I'll run this code. And right now in this folder, files, file folder, there is no file available, but I'm going to generate these all sheets as files into this folder by using this code. I'll run this code. I'll play this. Let's see what happens. This code is running and see, all done in one click. What happened? See, all the files, healthcare representative, human resource, healthcare representative, human resource library technician, and see what happened. all the files generated with one click only. And what is the beauty? If I click this file, there is no pivot table now. So your data will not move with files to any. So this is all done. You just clicked one button and you have all files ready with you. So I just wanted to share this tip with you. I'll be post and you can see all the files have been generated. I can do this again, like close this, don't save. I delete all these files. Let's suppose I delete all these files. I run this code again. All done. Let it let it run. I'll play it. Where it is. Here it is. I'll shift enter. I'll click here and I will shift enter. The code is running. Now see, all done, all files generated again. So what you have to do is just use this code I am giving you, change these path files as you like with your paths and use it and enjoy the life of automated file working. You daily in your, if you are working in the head office or something, you have files and you want to split those all Excel files, Excel sheets in a workbook into different files, then use this code and enjoy. Thank you so very much. I'll be posting the step-by-step detail as well. I'll be sharing the video as well. I'm stopping this. I'll be sharing this code, this video, and I'll try to post it in a step-by-step guide as well, so you can get benefit from this as well. I'll be posting it on my YouTube channel, on my LinkedIn, on my Facebook, so you can get benefit from this. Thank you so very much, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube channel if you want to see more tips like this, technical business cases, not usual cases as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.